Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone actually supports portrait mode, models from iPhone 7 Plus onward. Once you know that, close the camera app fully and reopen it to rule out a temporary glitch. If portrait still fails, restart the phone to clear minor software hiccups and check Settings General about to make sure you're on a current iOS. These quick steps eliminate trivial causes so you can move into targeted fixes without wasting time. Now you dig into camera settings and hardware. First, open camera and explicitly swipe to portrait, then test at typical portrait distance, about 4 to 8 feet, and in good light because depth algorithms need contrast. Next, physically inspect and gently clean the lenses. Grime or a scratch can break depth sensing. Once done, disable live photos and other modes that conflict with portrait and temporarily avoid third-party camera. For advanced fixes, reset camera settings or use Settings General Transfer or reset iPhone to reset all settings. This clears misconfigurations without erasing data. If that fails, update iOS or reinstall using recovery mode to address deeper software corruption. Make sure to back up before any major restore. And one key troubleshooting tip: if software restores don't help, a hardware fault, faulty depth sensor, lens, or logic board may be the cause. Contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.